guys, CryptoDad here again, and I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of the way that the rebate program works on the Crypto.com Metal Visa card. It's a really great way to get monthly reimbursements for some of your favorite digital purchases. So let me show you how it works. First of all, we all know that Crypto.com is a great way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. You can make deposits and withdrawals of your crypto from Crypto.com to your own wallet. And I like to use it as a quick way to just check the price action of my favorite coins. But you may not be aware that you can also get a Crypto.com Metal Visa card and use it to spend your crypto in the real world. This is the Crypto.com website for the Metal Visa card. I'll put a link to this down in the description below. And if we scroll down just a bit, you can see all of the card tiers. I personally have the Indigo card. You can see here the different benefits, and the rebates are right here. So with the Indigo card, I'm getting 100% rebate on Spotify and Netflix, but this is up to a certain amount. So every month you can get up to $13.99 reimbursed on Spotify, and the same with Netflix. So this amount here totally covers my Spotify. But Netflix has had some price increases recently, so I'm not getting a full rebate on my Netflix, which is fine with me. $14 off my $20 Netflix makes it come out to about a $4 a month Netflix charge, so I'm not complaining. So basically the first thing you'll need to do is get your hands on a card, and the way you do that is to stake CRO. There are certain tiers that you have to stake. Now if you just want the Midnight Blue card with a 0 stake, you can use that to spend your crypto in the real world. If you have 400 in Stake CRO, you can get the Ruby Steel card, and that will qualify you for the 100% rebate on Spotify. But if you go with the Royal Indigo or Jade Green, you'll get a rebate on Spotify and Netflix. So how do you stake CRO? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is buy CRO using your Crypto.com app. You can hit trade, buy, and choose CRO. And then you can use credit, debit card. You can trade for it in your crypto wallet, or you can use your fiat wallet that has money that you transferred into your account from your bank. So it's really easy to buy CRO. And as you can see, if I go over here to the account section, I do have some CRO in my wallet at the moment. So if you have enough CRO in your wallet for one of the card tiers that you're interested in, you just go over here to card, and then in your case, you'll have a Stake CRO button that will allow you to stake CRO in order to qualify for one of the card tiers. After that, you'll be able to apply for the card, and they'll send it to you, and then you'll have your card. And as you can see here, I have a balance on my card of $250 US. I can top up my card with my crypto at any time. It's very simple. I just hit top up, and then I can use several of the cryptos that are available for top ups that I have in my account. As you can see, there's quite a few cryptos that you can use to top up your card. And once you have that balance on your card, you can use your card to spend in the real world. I'd like to also point out, you can see there at the top that I've just completed my Netflix.com purchase. And then a little down below that, I have my Spotify USA purchase, which I have on auto payment every month. All right, and so how do you make those payments? That's very simple. You'll simply go to the associated website of your different services like Netflix, and you'll just use the card number of your Metal Visa card for your auto payments for Netflix, or you can go over here to Spotify and do the same thing. As you can see, I've got my card number entered so that every month when my bill comes due, it just simply charges this card. All right, and how do you get your rebate? Well, notice if I go back over here to accounts and then go into the CRO account, which is there at the top, I can look at the history of my CRO. Notice if I scroll down just a bit, I've got that card rebate Netflix, and that's paid out in CRO. And then if I scroll down just a little further, you can see that card rebate Spotify. So those come in immediately. As soon as Netflix or Spotify charges my card and the payment goes through, I immediately get that CRO deposited directly into my account. So I could take that CRO and sell it right away and use it to top up my card and have that cash right on hand. Or I could take that CRO and sell it for stablecoin and keep stablecoin in my account. Or I could take that CRO and swap it for Bitcoin or Ethereum or anything else. I can also leave it as CRO and let CRO accumulate in my account. So there's a lot of ways that you can benefit from this rebate. But the amazing thing is I'm pretty much getting my Spotify for free, and I'm getting a huge discount on my Netflix subscription. So that's it. It's really easy to get your hands on a metal Visa card. You can use it to spend your crypto in the real world, and then you also have the additional benefits of those rebates on your favorite monthly digital services, which is pretty cool. If you have any questions about anything I did, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.